Now, in this lesson, we are introduced to stem and leaf plots. Examples. A number of sheep were weighed and the results were recorded below. Alright, now that recording there is in a stem and leaf plot format. Write in ascending order the actual weights recorded for each sheep. So we're just using this example basically to show you how to read from a stem and leaf plot. Now if we can see all those numbers there, they are our stem. Alright, they are our stem, and what do you think all these little numbers might be? They are a leaf. Okay, each one is a leaf, so stem and leaf plot. Now the 4, what that 4 is standing for is 40. And that 5 is the unit, so we say that number is 45. The 4 and the 9, 49. Alright, so that's our 40s. The 5 representing 50, okay, the 50s. 5-2, 52. 5-3, 53. 56. 56 again. And 59. Right, what do you think the 6 might be standing for? Yes, the 60s. So, 63, 67, 68. What about the 7? Well, that's standing for the 70s. So we have 71. And finally that 8, 80. Right, so that is how you read off a stem and leaf plot. Our second example now, the stem and leaf plot shows the heights of a group of students. So there it is, the heights in centimetres, and they are the heights, they range, okay, from the 140s to the 180s. So we need to find the mode. Now which of those occurs the most? Well, we can see that 4 occurs 3 times in that row. Alright, now when I say 4, it's not really just 4, is it? It's to do with the 1-5, okay, the 150s. The 150s, so with the 4, that's 154. With the next one, that's 154. With the next one, it's 154 again. So you can see there are 3 scores of 154. Hence, the mode equals 154 centimetres. Part B now, the range. The highest score is 180. The lowest score is 147. Okay, and that's how we work out the range. It's the highest minus the lowest. So we write that down, and that works out to be 33 centimetres. What about the mean? Okay, the mean or average. Well, there's no quick way of doing this. Okay, each of those leaves represent a different score, don't they? So we have 19 scores if we add up how many there are. Then we need to start adding them all. Okay, 147, 149 we're adding, 152. This continues. Okay, we don't need to write them all out, but we will need to enter them certainly on the calculator. It continues. We'll pick them up at the end there. 179. And finally we'd be adding 180. Now we divide by 19 because there are 19 scores. So at that moment, right, you'll need your calculator. You'll need to spend a bit of time entering all of those individual scores when you're adding them. Make sure you press equals before doing that division by 19. If you do that correctly, you should get 161.1 centimetres. Now, part D, what about the median? Now, the median is the middle score. The middle score. Now, if we consider this, the stem and the leaves are shown. If we wrote them all out, we wrote all the scores out, 147, 149, 152, etc., all the way up to 180. Well, to find the median, we know that there are 19 scores. We divide that by 2, because we want the middle score, we get 9.5. Now, if we get 9.5, we round it up to the 10th score. So let's see where the 10th score is. That's our first. That's our second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th, 10th. Okay, there's our 10th leaf. But remembering it's matching up with the 150, the 150, so the median then equals 159 centimetres. Terrific. Well, that concludes our lesson. Good luck with your questions.